Hello, my name is Jian, and today in this tutorial I would like to talk about what is the SQL Server Profiler and how to do it in the when you want to checking or tracing some event log. Okay, so the Microsoft SQL Server Profiler is a graphical user interface to SQL Server J for monitoring an instance of the database engine or the analytics service. You can capture the data about each event to a file or table to analyze later. Okay, so for example, when you are working in a project, I mean web project, so when you open your browser and access into a web page, it will take a long time to loading the data on that page. So you should checking what which SQL Server query takes a very long time to loading the data. So we have to uh, other than that we have to optimize the SQL Server script to make it run faster. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, you go ahead to open start Microsoft SQL Server 2014. We have the SQL Server 2014 profiler here. Click on it. Yeah, on the menu, you click on a new trace. Connect. I will keep it by default. You click on run. Okay. So after you starting the uh, new trace, so it will display all of the event occur when you executing by the SQL Server services. Okay. So now this one is the report server. It comes from the network reporting. Okay, so I will temporarily pause it and also clear everything here. Okay, so for example, I have this one is okay. So the firstly, this one is my channel. I have many video regarding to SQL Server learning here. You can go there for learning. And okay, so this one is a web page at my local, and now I'm using the SQL Server for hosting the database. Okay, so now let me on this page. When I refresh this page, it will display the data for category on the left side and send the query to the database server to get the product list and display it on here. So now, for example, if my query to get the product list here is run slow, so we should find the query, that query, and check if you have any issue. We should optimize it. Okay, try back to SQL Server Profiler and start it. And you back to the website, refresh it. Okay, okay. So now I will power it. Because if we don't power the tray, it will tray everything in the system, and so the lead will be very long. Okay, so now I'm using the account is SA for to access the database, and that means I have to find the login username with SA here, and I go ahead to find some the script under the text data. You click on best starting. No, group by no. Okay, so firstly, oh, if you think your query is run very long time, so you should take a look into the duration column first. You should see the number duration is high. Okay. Here, because for now our website is run very fast, so we don't have any script. It take a long time to run. Okay, so here this one is a script to get the data for product here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 10. Yes, you can see here for now we just get only 10 record. And let's try to open the SQL Server management tool. Login with SA. This one is the database I'm using to keeping the data for our website. Okay, I will paste this script here and execute it to run. Okay, you can see here we have the return the result is 10, which we were using to display it on the page. Okay. Okay, so for example, if you think this script is make the website run slower, so we should optimize it. Okay, so in this video, I won't talk about how to optimize the query to make it run faster. Maybe I will talk it in another video. Okay, come back to here and use try to find another script. Here, this one is a script to load the category on the left side. Here, try to run it. Yeah. Okay. So when if you are a developer, so when you're working with a database, you should know how to use a SQL system, SQL Server profiler to tracing the log and the query. We will send the request to the server database, and after that, when you finish this video, you know how to use the SQL Server profiler, and I hope this will be helpful for you. And and I think it will be easy for you to find what is the root cause uh, from the script or something like that to fix the performance for the web page. Okay, another one. Oh, this one. Because I have because the first time I tried to refresh this page many many times, so we have many script capturing here. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will helpful for you, and after you finish this, you know how to use the SQL Server profiler, and I hope this will helpful for you, and talk to you later in another video. Feel free to let me know if you have any issue. Bye bye.